Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am in London Stansted Airport and I will be flying on Ryanair from Stansted to Santorini International Airport, which is a 3 to 4 hour flight on probably a Boeing 737 MAX 8200 or maybe an 800, but not exactly sure. We'll just have to find out. Anyway, Santorini Airport has an incredible approach with a pretty short runway, so it's going to be cool. And we should be seeing a sunset as well, so yeah. Okay guys, I went through security, pretty smooth. My bag did get taken for a search because there had so much models in there that it looked like it was a knife, so yeah. But anyways, I am at a restaurant and literally right airside the terminal. But yeah, our flight should leave at 4:40, so we have about an hour, a little 20 minutes less than 2 hours, yeah. So we have plenty of time to chill. Alright. And yeah, I'm just gonna play a spot for now. Okay guys, I've just boarded the aircraft, Boeing 737-800. Our flight for today is Santorini, and yeah, I picked a good window view. Unfortunately, no space tires on the wingtips, but that's fine. Boarding was quite a hassle, but yeah, I guess I'm just gonna record our taxi and our takeoff, and I'll see you guys when we're cruising. into Santorini Airport on this Boeing 737-800. The air feels a bit choppy, but I guess I'll be fine. Yeah, guys, I'm going to show you the landing. 10. Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my hell, man! Son of a bitch! Holy crap! That was the hardest landing ever. Oh my god. Oh, Ryanair. Ow. Ow. Okay guys, we just landed, we're at our gate. I just want to say, that landing was the most hardest I've ever felt. Wow. It was very turbulent when we were landing, so well done to the pilots, obviously. But yeah, we like literally slammed into the runway. I can't even describe it. Literally on the video, and I had the video paused because my phone literally slipped. It was that hard. My back still hurts. But yeah, average Ryanair landing. But anyways, yeah, just well done to the pilots for actually handling it.